75 Bright Court. This 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom gem on James Island. Let's go on in and take a look. Beautiful floors. Nice wide hallways. So immediately upon entry, we have our study right here to our left. Took the liberty of opening up the doors. Ceiling fan is well in place. There is an area that's designated kind of for office space, but if you wanted to have a full-blown office, it could be an option as well. And we'll see that here shortly. And just off the study is our half bath here on the first floor. So we have our pedestal sink, commode, nice tile floors. And we also have a coat closet here right off the entry. So we'll go to our left. Take a look at the kitchen. Nice open flow between the kitchen and dining area. Before we get in detail, I just want to pop over to the right here, going down this hallway. So this is the area I mentioned earlier that could potentially be used, for office space, homework desk, just based on your needs. And then we have storage under the stairs located here. And our laundry room, nice and roomy. And there are the hookups for the washer and dryer, tile floors again. And we'll just peep outside into the 2-car garage. So clearly more than enough room for 2 large vehicles, and even have a bonus sink off in the corner there. And our breaker panel is located here in the garage. In the event that you need to know, which it is something that you should know. Now we can go ahead and check out the kitchen. So we have a nice large island seating on the back end there. Dishwasher, double sinks. So our stove in range. And then our refrigerator. We also have nice sized pantry space there for you. So a nice open flow into our living room and dining area. Eat-in kitchen would be here. And then we have like our little sunroom section just off the living and dining. And I'll pop outside just so we could see the backyard. It's partially fenced in, so the sides aren't enclosed. It just runs along the back side. As you can see, nice and private. A lot of greenery as well. Nice back patio. Beautiful space. All right, let's go on the other side and take a look at the first floor master. So right on the entry of the master, again, have a linen closet there. There's no shortage in storage here. So this is our master bedroom, ceiling fan. And let's check out the ensuite. We have double sinks. Could probably put a table or just additional storage area again. And then here's our nice tile shower. Tiles run all the way up to the ceiling there. And then our commode tucked in behind this door. And more storage. There's a linen closet just behind that door there. And then of course the walk-in closet, which goes all the way down and then loops around. So much to see. All right, let's head upstairs and take a look at the other 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So at the top of the stairs, nice open loft area. So it could be a second living room or a place for the kids to hang out with their friends, do homework. And so right at the top is our second bedroom, ceiling fan, walk-in closet as well. Next to that's our second full bath. It's a single sink, but we have some additional counter space there. More storage, linen closet, commode, and our tub. Next to that's bedroom number 3. Ceiling fan again, and this bedroom has a 3-piece bath, ensuite attached. So our commode, single sink, and then our tub. And just upon entering, the closet space is just right off the doorway here. And it kind of goes around the corner slightly. And then here in the loft, you guessed it, more storage. And then our fourth and final bedroom, ceiling fan, nice size closet, and nice little balcony space here. Takes you back into the loft. And that's the overview of Bright Court. Thank you guys so much for watching.